What's the meaning of conation? Conation. Conation.
Conation. Conation. Conation refers to the mental process of striving towards a goal or desired outcome. It involves the conscious effort and willpower required to achieve something, such as making a decision, taking action, or persevering through challenges. Conation is an important aspect of motivation and can influence our behavior, attitudes, and emotions. Individuals with strong conation are driven to succeed and demonstrate high levels of initiative, productivity, and resilience in pursuit of their goals. However, excessive or unbalanced conation can also lead to stress, burnout, or compulsive behavior.